Now, in this pandemic, there's no such thing as working from home for the nation's farm workers, doing essential work with little or no protective gear. Their lives and the nation's food supply are at risk. Here's Manuel Bojorquez.
For workers on Florida's farms, getting to the fields usually starts with a bus ride, making social distancing practically impossible.
We're expected to keep going an essential labor while we are absolutely abandoned in terms of resources to protect ourselves. There's no personal protective equipment for farm workers.
Here in Immokalee, the nearest hospital is about an hour away. Geraldo Reyes is with the Coalition of Immokalee Workers, which has been distributing flyers on COVID precautions in Spanish and Creole, and answering questions on a radio talk show. Some growers have set up hand washing stations, but Reyes fears that's not enough.
If you think about it, about the virus as a wildfire, we are dry tinder in a way. If there are no workers, because we get all sick and it's impossible to sustain the work because of that, then there's no food. What are people going to do?
The vast majority of the nation's farm workers lack health insurance or sick paid leave. And though it's estimated undocumented immigrants paid $20 billion in federal taxes in 2018, they aren't eligible for stimulus checks. Because of our needs, we have to go to work, says Gloria Carrera, though she recently made the tough decision to leave the fields and her income for the health of her 2 children. Work or stay safe, a daily dilemma for laborers like her across the country. But Carrera's situation exposes another problem. More than one family living under one roof. She says it's the only way she can afford the rent, but it increases their chances of exposure even if she continues to stay home. Manuel Bojorquez, CBS News, Miami.